Stop. Before you do anything tonight, I need to show you something. A doctor in India ran a simple test on 200 patients. All of them had chronic inflammation. All of them had tried medication. Nothing worked. He asked them to do one thing, just 2 drops on one specific spot on their body every night before bed. Within 14 days, 187 out of 200 reported major improvement. The spot he used? You've had it your whole life. And tonight, I am going to show you exactly what it is, what to put there, and why this works when nothing else does. But first, I need to warn you about the one mistake that makes this completely useless. Stay right here. Gives cut to 187 out of 200. Dead silence for 3 seconds, then soft build. 187 out of 200 improved. New here. Welcome. Natural health, backed by science. New remedies every day. Who never miss a video. Subscribe free. Join community. Let me describe your life right now. You wake up in the morning and your body already feels heavy. Not sick exactly. Just off. Your stomach is bloated by noon, even though you barely ate. By 3 p.m. you crash completely. At night, your brain will not shut off, even though your body is exhausted. Your joints ache. Your skin looks tired. And you have been told, eat better, exercise more, drink water, NOW. All of that. You are doing all of that. And yet, nothing is actually changing. Here is why. And I promise, this is the answer you have been looking for. The problem is not your diet. It's not your sleep schedule. It's inflammation at the cellular level, and there is one switch that can turn it off. Visual cue, 0:45 to 1:45. Person staring at ceiling at night, 1 o'clock, gives stomach markers. It's not your fault at 1:30. Pattern, interrupt. The T's stop scroll. Now here is the part that sounds completely crazy, and I need you to stay with me because the science behind this is absolutely real. The solution to all of this is a spot you have been ignoring your entire life. It is on your stomach right now, and it is connected through 72,000 nerve pathways to virtually every organ in your body. Your gut, your liver, your hormones, your skin, your brain. Ancient medicine knew about this for over 5,000 years. They called it the Nabi, the original healing center of the human body. In Ayurveda, the world's oldest medical system, doctors used this point to treat everything, and modern researchers at 3 separate universities have now confirmed why it actually works. I will show you exactly what they found right after this. Human body silhouette. Belly button glows, bright amber. 72,000 nerve lines radiate outward to every organ. Hold 8 seconds. No talking, let the visual speak. Then cut back to face. The science reveal your belly button is not a scar. It is a living biological portal. Here is the science. The navel has the thinnest, most vascular skin on the entire human body. Compounds applied here absorb 3 to 4 times faster than anywhere else. Because the blood vessel network directly beneath it connects to your hepatic portal system, which feeds directly into your liver and your gut. Now, what happens when you apply cold-pressed castor oil here? Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that has been shown in published clinical studies to inhibit prostaglandin, E2, the exact compound responsible for chronic systemic inflammation. The same pathway that billion-dollar pharmaceutical drugs target, except castor oil costs less than $2 and has 0 side effects. Wait, because it gets even better. I have not even told you about the most powerful benefit yet. Zoomed diagram. Navel gives portal, vein gives liver pathway blue, animated flow. At 3 o'clock, ricinoleic acid with molecular graphic. At 3:30, comparison graphic. Pharmaceutical drug icon crossed out versus castor oil bottle green checkmark. Like if this helped, share. With someone hit like right now, it literally takes 1 second and helps us reach more people who need it. For benefits, rapid fire. High energy, no drop fast cuts, face plus graphics, beneformin inflammation, gone. Ricinoleic acid reaches your gut lining within minutes of absorption. Most people feel reduced bloating within 72 hours. Not weeks, days. Benefit to deep sleep. When gut inflammation drops, cortisol drops with it. Your body finally enters deep restorative sleep, the kind where you wake up actually feeling rested for the first time in years. Benefit 3. Skin from the inside. The vitamin E and omega-9 fatty acids in castor oil reach your dermal layer through the bloodstream, not just the surface. Users see visible skin changes within 10 to 14 days. Smoother, brighter, less puffy. Benefit, for the one nobody talks about, your lymphatic system. The navel sits directly above your primary lymphatic drainage pathway. Castor oil here has been shown to increase white blood cell production by up to 28% within 3 weeks. That means your immune system stronger, your body actually healing. Now remember I said there is one mistake that makes all of this completely useless. Here it is. Do not use refined castor oil, mineral oil, or any oil with added fragrance. These have been processed at high heat, which destroys the ricinoleic acid completely. You need cold-pressed hexane-free castor oil or organic coconut oil as an alternative. That is it. Cheap at any pharmacy. Also, do not do this on a full stomach. Do it right before you lie down to sleep. Your body's parasympathetic system is most active, then absorption is highest. That is the window you want. Red warning frame. Large over refined oil bottle, then green over cold pressed bottle. Hold 5 seconds. This visual alone re-engages anyone who's zoned out. Exact method, step by step. Here is exactly what to do. Takes 2 minutes. Step 1. Lie flat on your back. This position is essential. It opens the navel and maximizes absorption. Step 2. 2 to 3 drops. Only cold pressed castor oil on your fingertip. Step 3. Place it directly inside the navel. Then with 2 fingers, apply slow, circular pressure around it for 30 seconds. Step 4. Leave it. Do not wipe it. Your body will absorb everything by morning. Do this for 14 consecutive nights. Mark it on your calendar. Keep a simple journal. Just 1 line each morning. How is my stomach feeling? How did I sleep? Within 1 week, you will have your answer. Try this tonight. Not tomorrow. Tonight. 2 drops. 2 minutes. Come back to the comments in 1 week and tell me exactly what changed. I read every single comment personally. And one more thing. If this video gave you real value today, do me one small favor. Hit subscribe right now. Because every single day, I bring you natural remedies like this one. The ones that actually work. The ones that actually have science behind them. You deserve that information? It's completely free. Just 1 click. And hit the bell so you never miss it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Subscribe, free, like, share, comment.